REBN stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Reborn Coffee, actually such a bullish market, it's crazy. This is how my chart's looking like. Context, I've done 36,000 videos. I spent 5 figures on courses, seminars, and all this is documented on my YouTube channel. But last time I made a prediction is absolutely just kind of gapped up the next day, so that did deliver. And now we're here, from which I'm still in a pretty sick bullish demand zone. Like, it's kind of like history is repeating itself. I'm not going to immediately buy, but it is going to be like a proper shift in a buy for me if I see this, which in other words is just like a fractal Y of accumulation. And guess what? If the price does not give me these rules, this red part here, then I'm just gonna stay on the sideline and not even care, not even move a finger, because why would I? It makes no sense. So stay tuned. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet very lean way, you can click the first link in the second link in the description. It's a free newsletter, because in the first there is a lot of sauce. You might get burned, but yeah, see you in the next one.